Hi there! In today's video, we will showcase the top 10 cool car gadgets every guy should try that you can buy this year. Let's get started. The WOLFBOX G840S Mirror Dashcam. The WOLFBOX G840S Mirror Dashcam offers unparalleled 4K UHD recording with a 12-inch screen, ensuring clarity for both front and rear views. Upgraded to record 2160p front and 1080p rear images, this dashcam significantly reduces rear-view blind spots. Its 170-degree front and 140-degree rear lenses provide an ultra-wide view, and the Smart Screen Split function allows dual-lens display. Enhanced night vision with WDR, HDR tech, and a StarVis sensor ensures clear images in any lighting. The built-in GPS tracks all your journeys, while the 24-hour parking monitor records continuously at low FPS, saving power and memory. Upgraded to a USB-C power supply, it avoids issues like restarting or high-temperature deformation. Additional features include streaming media rear view, G-sensor, loop recording, and adjustable display view angle, making it a comprehensive solution for safe driving and parking. GOVEE Car LED Lights. The GOVEE Car LED lights bring vibrant illumination to your vehicle's interior with customizable RGB colors. Controlled via the GOVEE Home app, you can choose from 16 million colors or create your own light effects. The built-in microphone syncs the lights to your music, creating a dynamic atmosphere for road trips or daily commutes. The two-line design connects 4 LED strip lights, ensuring a tidy installation without exposed wiring. Simply attach the lights with adhesive and support clips for a secure fit. These LED lights operate on 12 volts and are universally compatible with any car model, enhancing your driving experience with style and convenience. BESTEVMOD Car Start Button Cover. The BESTEVMOD Mando-style car start button cover enhances your car's interior with its sleek, anti-scratch design. Made from high-quality zinc alloy, this cover protects the engine start button from accidental touches, especially useful for households with children. It fits about 98% of vehicles, making it a versatile accessory. The installation is straightforward with a peel and stick application, ensuring a secure fit without modifications. The package includes one Mando start button cover, stickers, wipes, and a Mando mask, all presented in a gift-ready package. This stylish cover not only adds a touch of elegance to your car, but also serves as a thoughtful gift for car enthusiasts. Drop-Stop Car Seat Gap Filler. The Drop-Stop Car Seat Gap Filler eliminates the dangerous gap between your car seat and center console, preventing items from falling through. Patented and seen on Shark Tank, Drop-Stop provides complete gap coverage in front of, around, and behind the seatbelt catch, attaching securely and moving with the seat. Made from high-grade neoprene, it adapts to any gap size and blends seamlessly with the car's interior. Each package includes 2 drop stops for both the driver and passenger sides, plus bonus items like a slide-free pad and an LED credit card light. This universal fit accessory ensures a safer and more organized driving experience. HOTOR HT138 Car Trash Can. The HOTOR HT138 Car Trash Can is an essential accessory for keeping your vehicle clean and organized. With a 2-gallon capacity, this trash can features an adjustable strap, allowing it to be attached to both front and back headrests or the center console for easy access. This collapsible design offers convenient storage when not in use. The car trash can include magnetic snaps to securely fasten trash bags, making replacements quick and simple. Made from durable, leak-proof polyester, it effectively contains spills and stains, ensuring hassle-free cleaning. This versatile bin can also be used as a storage bag for items like cups, toys, and accessories, or as a cooler due to its waterproof lining. Designed to fit a variety of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks, the HOTOR HT138 provides a practical solution for maintaining a tidy car interior. AINOPE AV801 Car Charger. The AINOPE AV801 Car Charger is a compact, efficient charging solution for your vehicle. Measuring 1.7 inches in length and 0.9 inches in width, this thumb-sized charger fits flush with most car cigarette lighters, offering a streamlined look. With a total output of 4.8A/24W, it provides rapid charging for 2 devices simultaneously at 2.4A per USB port, doubling the speed of standard 1A chargers. Made from scratch-resistant zinc alloy, the charger remains cool and safe even at high temperatures, outperforming plastic alternatives. It features multiple safety protections against overcurrent, overcharging, and overheating, ensuring the security of your devices. Compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including iPhone and Samsung models, this charger is a reliable and stylish addition to any vehicle. AINOPE's responsive customer service is available to address any questions or concerns, ensuring complete satisfaction with your purchase. NOCO GB40 Car Battery Jump Starter. The NOCO GB40 Car Battery Jump Starter is a compact and powerful solution for starting dead batteries. With a peak output of 1,000 amps, it can jumpstart gasoline engines up to 6.0 liters and diesel engines up to 3.0 liters, providing up to 20 jump starts on a single charge. Featuring ultra-safe technology, it ensures safe connections with spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection. This multifunctional device also serves as a portable power bank for recharging smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices. It includes a 100-lumen LED flashlight with 7 modes, including emergency strobe and SOS. The GB40 is designed with high-discharge lithium technology for safe operation in any climate and a rugged, water-resistant enclosure rated at IP65. Weighing just 2.4 pounds, its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry. The package includes heavy-duty booster clamps, a 12-volt car charger, a micro USB charging cable, a microfiber storage bag, and a user guide. TEUOPIOE Car Detailing Brush. The TEUOPIOE Car Detailing Brush is a must-have tool for keeping your vehicle's interior spotless. Perfectly sized to fit in your glove box, it features high-density synthetic bristles that are super soft yet durable, ensuring a scratch-free clean for both dry and wet use. The ergonomic handle, made of high-quality PP, is designed for a comfortable grip and prevents scratching with its metal-free construction. Ideal for delicate surfaces like dashboards, air conditioner vents, leather seats, and car screens, this brush effectively traps dust without streaking or scratching. Its versatility extends to household items, making it perfect for cleaning windows, appliances, and even hard-to-reach places. Originally inspired by makeup brushes, this detailing brush brings the same gentle care to your car's interior. Lightweight and portable, the TEUOPIOE Car Detailing Brush is a professional and trustworthy tool for all your cleaning needs. ANCEL BD310 OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. The ANCEL BD310 OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool is a versatile and cost-effective device for vehicle diagnostics. With dimensions of 2 inches by 1 inch by 5 inches and a 2.0-inch display, it supports Bluetooth connection and plug-and-play functionality. This scanner can be used as a handheld device connected to the car's OBD2 port or wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.0 to a mobile phone or tablet. It offers full OBD2 modes, including reading and clearing fault codes, performing DTC searches, O2 sensor tests, I/M readiness, and more. The BD310 also supports battery and performance tests, real-time monitoring, and trip analysis. It can display and graph engine data, monitor battery status, and provide driving behavior analysis to improve safety. Compatible with over 98% of 1996 US vehicles and 2000 European and Asian vehicles. It supports all OBDII/EOBD+ CAN protocol-compliant vehicles and is available in 8 languages. The package includes a heater vent mounting kit and a magnetic backplate for easy installation and use. TILDOSAC Car Registration and Insurance Card Holder. The TILDOSAC Car Registration and Insurance Card Holder is a sleek and practical organizer designed to keep your essential documents secure and well-arranged. Made with premium PU leather and heavy-duty vinyl PVC, this holder is durable, anti-scratch, and tear-resistant. Measuring 9.5 by 5.1 inches, it fits easily in any glove box or console, with enough space for documents up to 9 by 4.7 inches. The slim, lightweight design features 6 clear sleeves to hold your gas card, car registration, insurance information, business cards, and emergency information. This organizer not only keeps your paperwork secure and protected, but also enhances the appearance of your glove box by eliminating clutter. Ideal for cars, minivans, sedans, motorcycles, and boats. The TILDOSAC Car Registration and Insurance Card Holder combines exquisite craftsmanship with practical functionality. We hope you enjoyed our video showcasing the top 10 cool car gadgets every guy should try that you can buy this year. Thanks for watching.